तुम बहुत बदल गए हो। You have changed a lot. You have changed a lot. यह नोट नहीं चलेगा। This note will not do. This note will not do. यह चलेगा कि नहीं? Will it do or not? Will it do or not? झूठ सच मत करो। Don't mix fiction with facts. बात क्या है भाई? What is the matter bro? What is the matter bro? पढ़ो या न पढ़ो? Study or not? Study or not? मेरा क्या लोगे? What will I lose? What will I lose? ऐसे मत बोलो। Don't say so. Don't say so. मेरे सपने चूर चूर हो गए। My dreams shattered. My dreams shattered. वह हमेशा हंसता रहता है। He always keeps on laughing. He always keeps on laughing. अपना आपा मत खोना। Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper. क्या हुआ? उदास क्यों हो? What happened? Why are you sad? What happened? Why are you sad? पापा सब संभाल लेंगे। Dad will take care of everything. Dad will take care of everything. मैं तुम्हारी बातों से सहमत नहीं हूँ। I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. उल्टा चोर कुतवाल को डांटे। The pot is calling kettle back. The pot is calling kettle back. तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता। You are hopeless. You are hopeless. तुम कभी नहीं सुधरोगे। You will never improve. You will never improve. आपका घर यहाँ से कितना दूर है? How far is your residence from here? How far is your residence from here? क्या तुम रामलाल को जानते हो? Do you know रामलाल? Do you know रामलाल? वह तुम्हारे पास ही रहता है। He lives nearby you. He lives nearby you. तुम मेरा नाम रोशन करोगे। You will glorify my name. You will glorify my name. क्या तुम कभी आगरा गए हो? Have you ever been to Agra? Have you ever been to Agra? आपने बाजी पलट दी। You turned the table. You turned the table. वह 4 दिनों से बीमार है। He has been ill for 4 days. He has been ill for 4 days. क्या तुम शादी में गए थे? Did you go to the wedding? Did you go to the wedding? नहीं, मैं नहीं गया था। No, I didn't. No, I didn't. मैं आज पढ़ाने नहीं आ पाऊँगा। I will not be able to come to teach today. I will not be able to come to teach today. आज मुझे कहीं और जाना है। I have to go to somewhere else today. I have to go to somewhere else today. मैं आपके आगे हाथ जोड़ता हूँ। I beg you. I beg you. मेहरबानी करके यह मत करो। प्लीज़ डोंट डू दिस। प्लीज़ डोंट डू दिस। तुम में से किसी एक ने किया है ये। Either of you has done this. Either of you has done this. तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे? With whom were you talking? With whom were you talking? मैं उससे बात नहीं करता हूँ. I don't talk to him. I don't talk to him. मैं उसके घर नहीं जाता हूँ. I don't go to his house. I don't go to his house. मैं अपने बालों में तेल लगा रहा हूँ. I am applying oil in my hair. I am applying oil in my hair. तुम कहना क्या चाहते हो? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? मैं अपना अधिकार लेकर रहूँगा. I will have my right for sure. I will have my right for sure. हमारे शादी के 10 साल हो गए. It's been 10 years of our marriage. It's been 10 years of our marriage. तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? अपना उल्लू सीधा मत करो. Don't grind your own eggs. Don't grind your own eggs. उसका कॉल मत उठाना. Don't pick up his call. Don't pick up his call. मुझे पानी वानी नहीं पीना. I don't want to drink water and all. I don't want to drink water and all. अभी तक तुम कहाँ थे? Where had you been till now? Where had you been till now? आधा सच पूरे झूठ के बराबर होता है. A half truth is a whole lie. A half truth is a whole lie. खोटा सिक्का खोटा ही रहता है. A bad penny always turns up. कुछ भी रातों रात नहीं होता. Nothing happens overnight. Nothing happens overnight. दोनों एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे हैं. Both are the chips of the same block. यहाँ चिल्लाने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. It's no use shouting here. It's no use shouting here.